One mistake on a construction site can harm not just workers, but the entire environment. Dust, chemicals, and waste can quickly turn into serious environmental hazards if not properly controlled. Let's learn how to protect both people and the environment. What is environmental safety? Environmental safety in construction refers to practices that protect the environment from harm caused by construction activities. This includes managing waste, preventing pollution, and ensuring that hazardous materials do not damage air, water, or soil. Why environmental safety is important. Environmental safety helps to prevent pollution and environmental damage, protect worker health and nearby communities, ensure compliance with safety regulations, promote responsible construction practices. A safe environment benefits everyone. Construction sites may create environmental risks such as dust and air pollution, chemical spills, improper waste disposal, water contamination, and noise pollution. Recognizing these hazards helps reduce environmental impact. Proper waste management is essential on construction sites. Materials such as concrete, wood, metals, and hazardous waste must be handled and disposed of correctly. Poor waste management can lead to environmental damage and legal consequences. Spill prevention and control. To prevent and control spills, store chemicals properly. Use spill containment systems. Clean spills immediately. Keep spill kits available on site. Quick action helps prevent serious environmental damage. Construction activities can release dust and harmful particles into the air. Controlling air quality through water spraying, proper ventilation, and dust control methods helps protect workers and nearby communities from respiratory hazards. To protect water sources, prevent chemicals from entering drains. Use barriers to control runoff. Dispose of liquids properly. Avoid dumping waste into water bodies. Protecting water is critical for environmental safety. Maintaining environmental safety requires active participation from everyone. Workers should follow environmental safety procedures, handle materials responsibly, report spills or leaks immediately, use protective equipment when required. Every worker plays a role in protecting the environment. Construction work often takes place in challenging weather conditions. Workers should take precautions during extreme heat, cold, rain, or storms to prevent environmental hazards and ensure their own safety. Keep these important points in mind. Prevent pollution whenever possible. Dispose of waste properly. Act quickly in case of spills. Follow environmental safety procedures. Responsible actions help protect both people and the environment. Every action you take on a construction site impacts the world around you. Make safety and environmental responsibility your top priority. Want to learn more about OSHA safety training? Visit www.oshatrainingschool.com. Subscribe for more OSHA safety training and workplace safety tips.